What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I won't take too long, man. I just wanted to say I'm good, everything's fine, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on my FTMO account, yeah? So basically, I haven't posted for so long, it's just because, you know, it's still at the same result. I haven't taken no trades since then, so but I'm looking forward to take something. It's just because, man, I'm not a multi-millionaire trader, so I don't really have a lot of times to trade on. But today I might gonna take a trade. I'm gonna see if the price action gets here, and I'm gonna take longs towards maybe this area. That's gonna be my plan. But before that, yeah, I'm gonna just let you know, guys, what's my plan for this trade. Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. Let's see here a couple of touches. Yeah, so it sounds like kind of touch, break, kind of small retest, break, small retest, moving down. Yeah, most likely this price action will gonna hit this zone. From here, am I gonna take the zone? The reason why, I'm gonna put it right here, and then this one I'm gonna put it right here. So it's gonna be a 1-to-1, beautiful 1-to-1, man. And from here, I'm gonna manage this position. How? Very simple, because from here to here is 2.1 risk to reward, yeah. But my point is to take from here. Let me just tell you guys, if it goes down before hitting my stop loss, yeah, I'm gonna take partial losses, to be honest, and that's gonna be somewhere at the 50%, and then 75%, and I will leave everything to hit my stop loss, and that's gonna be less than I risked. So basically that's gonna be my, how is it called, that's gonna be my cut my losses chart, yeah. If just in case from here the price action just will gonna bounce here, and then from here is gonna make his way up, yeah, beautifully, yeah. Here I'm gonna take my 0.5% off the table, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, and I'm gonna target this high. So that's kind of means, guys, to come in the market with a plan. That means for me, if you don't do all this stuff, guys, then unfortunately you won't make it. You won't make it in trading. So if you like my content, guys, please, I know anyway nobody watches my videos, but whoever watches, just like please this video so a lot of people can see, because this is actually a valuable stuff. So I really would like to get to a lot of traders so everybody can see. But I'm gonna keep an I'm gonna still record all the movements, yeah, if it gets to this area, and I'm gonna record my trade and just pay attention how is gonna end up my trade, and you will see how beautifully I'm gonna manage this position. It doesn't really matter, guys, even if it's a loss or profit, I still gonna manage perfectly, guys. You feel me? Perfectly. So keep in touch, guys, keep in touch. We'll see you guys on my next breakdown video. Peace and love. I'm out.